types of flowers with their meaning. There are various types of flowers in the world. Flowers are one of the most beautiful creation of nature. Flowers make nature colorful and attractive. Watch this video and I will teach you the names of some flowers in English, different types of flowers names in English. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is the symbol of beauty and love. Zebra flower. These flowers, white is a color of purity and innocence. Zebra are the 5 most popular flowers in the world. Snowdrop flower. This delicate flower, symbol of beauty and hope. The pure white color represents purity, innocence, and sympathy, and the ability to overcome challenges. This make it is a very positive flower. Cosmos flowers symbolize order, balance. Magnolia flower symbolize purity, femininity, and nobility. The bluebell is a symbol of humanity, gratitude, and constancy. Dahlia flower symbolize growth, creativity, and positivity. Dahlia flower meanings include beauty, eternal love, inner strength, dignity, and kindness. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is an aquatic flower. Lotus flower is used for worship. Lotus is symbol of wealth, glory, and prosperity. Lotus blossom itself in ponds and mud. Poppy flower came in vibrant color like red, orange, and pink. Poppy flower is unspoken beauty of flower. Tulip are one of the most popular flower in the world. It has many varieties and many colors. White rose. White roses symbolize purity and innocence and traditionally associated with marriage and new beginning. Cherry blossom is considered the national flower of Japan. These flowers hold great cultural importance. Sunflower is a bright and beautiful flower. It is an annual flower. It needs proper sunlight to grow. It is a yellow in color. Sunflower is a very famous plant in the world. It looks very beautiful and attractive. Larkspur, the flower itself, is also commonly called a larkspur. A larkspur is a tall plant with purple, pine, and white flowers.